Now to some news in crime, 2 men were found dead in an abandoned building in Whitfield Town along Maxfield Avenue this morning. News of the crime has triggered questions of whether the men were targeted because of their sexuality. Jamaica Maitland reports.
The men, identified as 20-year-old Kevon Young, otherwise called Wani, from a Whitfield Town address, and 29-year-old Junior Gale, were found sometime after 9 Monday morning. Head of Operation for the St. Andrew South Police Division, Deputy Superintendent Coleridge Mento, says residents heard explosions around 12:30 a.m. and alerted the police.
A check of the area revealed that 2 male of adult bodies were seen in the upper floor of what appeared to be an abandoned building.
According to the police, getting access to the crime scene posed a challenge. The wooden steps which led to where the men were found could not stand the weight of the officers. Residents told us that the steps were sabotaged to prevent anyone from finding the men. The police were forced to use a ladder to view the crime scene. Our news team has been informed that news of the discovery has triggered questions of whether it was a hate crime. However, the police were unable to confirm. DSP Minter says the Kingston West Police is assisting with the investigation. Maxfield Avenue borders both police divisions.
The scene is currently being processed by our Major Investigations Division, MID, and there's a joint operational effort between Kingston West and St. Andrews South, even as we patrol and coordinate our borders at this location.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.